Welcome back, guys. So today I'm here with ISEE Hair Princess Collection. This is from the Princess Collection. That's what it says, and it's branded ISEE Hair. Now let me tell you, I love this packaging. It's the first time. I've always worked with ISEE Hair, by the way, but it's always like a black packaging. So it's the first time I'm getting this, like, oh, a full-on shopping bag and everything. I love the way they did this whole packaging. It's so cute. And then we got the box on the inside, and this box just feel like great quality. It's lined with like a nice silver, like glitter like silver vibe. You can't even see it so clear because the camera and the lighting, but trust, it's so nice. A nice solid pink, and the box, the quality feels really nice and just solid. And it just says the same thing on the front. I'm so excited to jump in. Oh my god, okay, I see hair coming with that nice little designer vibe, and I'm here for it. I'm here for it. You know, you got little tissue paper and stuff. You know, I'm gonna be delicate with it. And this is where, oh my god, it gets better. No, oh my god, guys, this is so nice. What? Okay, we're gonna get into the wig into a few. Okay, we're gonna get into the wig into a few. But now you tell me, this packaging is top tier. Top tier, guys. The lashes definitely caught my eyes. What? It's 6 pairs of lashes in here, and it's just branded ISEE Hair. I love how they took pride in the packaging, man. This looks so good. This cute little eye cover. You could use this like when you're going to sleep. Giving princess vibes for sure. All right, and if you like pink, you're gonna love this. Okay, I'm not big on pink, but I do love the packaging. All right, okay, so we got our little booklet here. It's branded ISEE, and it's just giving you hair care, all that good stuff. Social media, you know, their email, you know, how you can reach customer service. It's giving you all the information you really need to know. So they're keeping you informed. I also got a ISEE elastic headband. You know, you could go ahead and use this to melt your wig down if you choose to use adhesive. And we got a bonnet. What would the packaging be if you didn't get a bonnet, right? So, you know, that's really nice. And that's everything that came in today's package. All right, guys, you know I've been working with a lot of glueless wigs since recently, right? And this is another one. This is their 24-inch 5x5 lace closure wig. It's already pre-cut, and it's a glueless wig, guys. This is a kinky curly wig, and it is gorgeous. I love how defined this is. You see these curls? Really nice and defined. It's really pretty, truly. Honestly, love this. It's a nice 1B color, by the way. And, you know, I love how, even though it's kinky curly, they still made the top like flat, so it doesn't give that wiggy vibe. And it is pre-plucked. It is definitely pre-plucked, so that is also, that adds to the natural look of it. Let's look on the inside. So it's like a light brown color. You could go in and tint and bleach it further if you wish to. And there's an added extra adjustable elastic band in there for more security. It doesn't come with any adjustable straps in the back, but this will give you all the security you need, like truly. And it doesn't come with combs in there, so if you don't like combs on the inside of your cap, trust me, you will love this. I'm actually looking forward. I'm looking forward to this, guys. This is a really cute wig, and it's very full to the tip of the wig. As I said, curls feel really good, so I am pleased with the look of this for Sure, I am definitely pleased. So yeah, now that I went ahead and show you guys that, let me go ahead and show you guys how quick this is gonna be. This is gonna probably take you 3 minutes the most, if so long, to finish. So this is gonna be very quick and very much to the point. So okay, this is so snug. Right as I slip it on, and look how flat that can lay. Like, you see these girls? Do you see this? All you need to do is kind of play around with it, so, because they're kind of like shrunken now, but you know, it's 24 inches one stretched. Guys, I think this looks so good. Now, of course, you know, sometimes you're gonna get a little bit of cast in the front, but what I usually do is, if you've been keeping up, you know, I just go in with some of my lace tint spray, and that is usually all I need to really mute down that and just kind of neutralize the castiness, you know. So, makes life way easier. You just spray it on and you're good to go. Like, you really don't have to worry about any more casty look. You know, so I'm just using my finger to tap that in as I go along. That's it. That's all. That is it. That is all. And it looks so undetectable because, of course, you know, this is a HD lace as well. It is a HD lace. Guys, check it out. Check it out. Yeah, just off a shoulder, so I know that it's definitely not adhesive. Okay, and I love what the curls are giving. I really just don't even want to like disrupt the curl pattern. I don't want to wet it up. I love the volume of the hair. It looks really, really good. So I'm gonna keep it like this. It looks good. I love the density. It's not heavy. It's very manageable. They layered this wig as well. It's layered nicely. But what? No one would know. No one would know that your wig is not glued down, sprayed down, gel down, whichever one of those. No, you just slip it on, go. It's not bulky. It doesn't look wiggy. It's very natural looking. It's a win. So I'm gonna brighten the party. Alright, so I had to just fix that parting just so that, you know, everything could, like, you know, balance out, look more natural. But I love this wig. I see hair. You did it. Like, you literally did it. Like, this is too natural. This is too natural. And it's so flat, by the way. The construction of the wig, like, it's done so flat. You could go ahead, slip this behind your ears, and no one could tell, like, because it's not bulky here. Like, they did a really good job with the construction of the wig as well. So that looks really good. You see that? You see that? It looks good. And you guys know I love to do a good slip back kind of vibe. So yeah, it's giving the girls what they really need to get. So let me know if you like this wig. You really don't have to do much to make this look really good. Very, very beginner friendly. Like, literally no experience needed. Super quick installation time. 10 out of 10. Highly recommend. Highly recommend. So if you guys are interested in getting this wig for yourself, the direct link to it will be in my description box, as well as all the specifications. So please check that out. Shout out to ISEE here once more for today's gorgeous wig. Did I mention no baby hairs, no edges? Yeah, plus. Definitely. So yeah, that's it for today's wig look, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit subscribe, like, share, and just leave your positive vibes down below in the comment section. Yeah, that's it for today, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Those hands and lights can't stop me. I just hope